Living in Douglasville, Georgia, you want to make sure your home is safe and secure. That's where Middle Georgia Locksmith comes in. At Middle Georgia Locksmith, we specialize in residential locksmith services. We can help you with all of your home security needs, from home lockouts to lock changes, keyless entry, high security locks, garage doors, mailboxes, key extraction, and everything in between. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing fast and reliable service that you can always count on. So if you're in need of a residential locksmith in Douglasville, Georgia, look no further than Middle Georgia Locksmith. At Middle Georgia Locksmith, your security is our #1 concern.
Contact us today at 678-258-8400 to learn more about our services and schedule an appointment.